So either way, it's fine.
I have done. I have done.
Okay, great. So I want to show you our gratitude to Anandam Old Age Home. This is having more than 100 people uh, who are in the old age. You will also attain the old age. I will also attain the old age. So this is in Ambattur, Chennai. Uh, these people are the ones who are helping a lot of people, even though they are old. I think other people can mute. Somebody's mic is not muted yet, so please mute your mic so that there is no disturbance. These people, I would just give one simple example of how these people helped others. During the peak pandemic season, these people literally made thousands of chapatis and dal and helped with food to people. Unmute me. Okay. They supplied food for lot of migrant workers. Okay. And at the same time, a lot of people are stranded in hospitals during the peak COVID season. So every day, 2,000, 3,000 chapatis these people used to make literally had a meaning for their life, sent that to various places to people. Same way, when Chennai faced the floods in 2015 as well as this Varda storm, these people helped a lot of people by making food and helping others. We are extremely happy in donating a part of the collection that we got through this course to Anandam Old Age Home. They don't stop at this point. This is our assistance goes to this educational assistance. Okay. What they do is near Ambattur, in and around Ambattur, there are a lot of children, especially first generation students, and they need a lot of educational assistance like tuition fees, as well as if they are in 10th or 12th, they need additional tuition, personal attention. So Anandam Group, they have an educational assistance program providing they give classrooms to these people to come and attend tuition because their home is not having proper facility. So they hire a set of teachers, volunteer teachers as well as paid teachers, pay them, ensure. I think they're doing around 200 plus students as we speak. As a gratitude, their the person who is behind this Anandam, they have provided a video, okay? And I want to show that video. For a moment, I will stop my share and then restart the share, okay? Let me start the video.
Vanakkam.
Are you all able to hear
Dear
this
participants
video
and
sound?
volunteers of the data analytics program, we at Anandam, we are very happy to get associated with you all. In fact, ஆனந்தம் வந்து ஒரு ஃப்ரீ ஓல்டேஜ் ஹோம். அது வந்து நிறைய 105 முதியோர்கள், ஆதரவற்ற முதியோர்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு அடைக்கலமாக ஆனந்தம் இருந்துகிட்ருக்கு. அது மாத்திரம் இல்லாமல் அது வந்து எஜுகேஷன் சைட்லேயும் 270 ஏழை குழந்தைங்களுக்கு படிப்புக்கு என்ன முடியுமோ அதெல்லாம் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். அது தவிர 47 கற்றலில் குறைபாடு இருக்கிற குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் நம்ம எஜுகேஷனுக்கு முறைப்படி சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கோம். 3rd ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்லேருந்து +2 வரையில் பசங்க இங்கே படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. ப்ளஸ் வி ஆர் ஆல்சோ சப்போர்ட்டிங் ஃபார் த காலேஜ் புவர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு. உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் இஸ் கிரேட்லி அப்ரிஷியேட்டட். வி தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யுவர் ஜென்ரஸ் டொனேஷன் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் டு த ஓப்பன் மென்டர். அவங்க through your contribution they are supporting us also. In fact, we thank open mentors also for their initiative in educating these children in data analytics program, because in being a retired bank employee, I know the value of data analytics program, and today's generation needs this to the most at the utmost level. In fact, so ஒரு வேலைக்கு நம்ம போனோன்னா the data analytics program, have gone through this program, they'll be able to deal with in their office more easily, in fact, and more comfortably. So I thank we all of us from Anandam and the education side and everybody, we want to thank the open mentors for conducting this wonderful program for these students, and elders also wants to pass on their blessings to you all. And இது ஒரு நல்ல great program. We should all say. I hope that this program will continue for some more years for the next generation இது கண்டினியூ பண்ணி நிறைய பேருக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தா அடுத்தடுத்த இவா வந்து இது கத்துண்டு they'll be able to use their knowledge in the workforce where they are working, in fact. So that will be really useful for these people. இந்த காலத்து குழந்தைங்க படிச்சுட்டு வந்தால் ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் கோர்ஸோ இல்லை ஏதாவது படிச்சுட்டு வந்தால் பேசிக் தெரியாமல் ஜாபில் போகணுன்னு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வில் என்ஹான்ஸ் தேர் கேப்பபிலிட்டி டு ஒர்க் மோர் வெரி வெல் இன் தேர் companies where they are going to work. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity you are giving to the students, and thank you very much for the support you are giving from the students to Anandam also, and also from your company to Anandam elders and the education wing. I hope and wish and pray Almighty that your service should continue for ever and ever. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So hope you are all able to hear that, right? Right? Okay, anyway, I will upload that. For some people who have got low bandwidth, there may be some issues, but other than that, I think with that, I will stop my share. And what I would like to thank is all the people who have contributed to this program. A part of that is going to this group. As she was mentioning, the blessings from the elders is really good. So Open Mentor, Investors Financial Education Academy IFEA, Resilio and Anandam Group, thank you one and all for your contribution towards this program. And this is helping some other poor students to get educated and get an improvement in their life. Thank you one and all. With that, I will stop my portion. Sri Raman, you can continue.